Telugu TV. I am Pratima Santosh, and today we have with us Madam Ghazala Apsar, who is the principal of DPS Indira Nagar, Lucknow. So we know DPS Indira Nagar, Lucknow for various reasons. It's so popular about its results, a number of awards that it has bagged in, and it has made its own name in CBSE, among the CBSE schools. So it is very essential to know the person behind it also, right? And that is none other than Ghazala Afsar, madam. Madam, I welcome you to the show today. And today we are here to discuss about like your suggestions to the students of class 12 who are writing their exams for the academic year 2020-21. We all know that there is so much of confusion around the world because of the pandemic. What would you like to suggest them, madam?
Thank you for inviting me for this interview. I would begin this answer by telling you that we all know that this pandemic has affected all of us around the world. I mean, it is a global issue. It is not located to a particular place. And similarly, it has affected the education system also. Because when this pandemic started and we got to know about it, I think the month of March, we were about to start our new session for class 10th and 12th. But the only thing that came to our mind was that this should not affect the children's education or the result, because they are the students who are going to face the public exam, the board exams. And we are responsible to see that they achieve whatever, I mean, in the same manner, whatever they expect to. So we started our session on time. We made the teachers got prepared to take the online classes. I understand it was difficult initially because they had to switch from physical teaching to online teaching. Uh, so we had to give that confidence to the children also, because children were not supposed to come to school, but we wanted them to be physically present in the class. So, as you know, the CBSE also made some changes in the syllabus and everything. But then the classes went on smoothly online, because there was one thing at the back of our mind, that children should not think that they will not have the exams, or if they have the exams, they will not be able to perform because they're not going to school and attending the classes. So we took care of it. And I have seen over the period of time, over these months, that the children have given a very good attendance in class. And we also at the same time kept training our teachers. We got a lot of help from the DPS Society Delhi, and there was a lot of help from the management at the local level, where we gave a lot of training sessions to our teachers, where they could come up with a lot of innovative ideas. And they used different portals, like Zoom and Google Meet, Classroom and all that. And they learned along with their process of teaching. They also were learners, because they were learning a lot of technology to handle this situation, and to take the class to the children in their homes. So as far as I can tell you, right, like what you asked about how the children are prepared, I must add to it that I think children are thoroughly prepared for the board exams, because now, as per the guidelines and the instructions of the government, we are also calling the children, not forcibly at all, but we are calling them to school, and they are attending the classes physically, because for science students, you know that practical is also very important for them, and that is something which cannot be taught online 100%. So they are coming to school, they are attending the classes, and we are preparing them for the board exams. We are conducting practicals with them. They are getting the problems and queries solved by the class teachers and the other subject teachers, as well as the children who are not able to come to school. We are giving them online classes as well. So we have this in mind, that we do not want to see that the children suffer because of this. And I would advise all the students that they should not worry about this, that because of pandemic there'll be any alteration in the result or the performance if they are giving 100% from their end. Because we as a school, as administrator and teachers, we all will look to it that we do not leave anything where the child will be deprived of what he would have got physically in school. So I'm planning that maybe by next month after Diwali, we may call students in groups, small groups, and we will give them the same kind of a help as we used to give them when they used to have physical classes, the board children, because then the teachers, sorted all their problems and the queries, whatever they have. So we'll be having a first pre-board in the month of December, and we'll see whoever requires help, we will give that personal help to every child, no matter what. That is what we have thought of, because they are our responsibility. That is what I think. I would like to suggest my children that they should give their 100% without having any doubt in their mind. We will do our job and they should do their job, and we'll see that we get even a better result than last year.
That was really nice, ma'am. We are really honored to have you. You being nominated for national award twice, it was amazing to hear from you. And yes, children, as ma'am told, you have to prepare from your end. You have to be thoroughly prepared and leave the rest to the education system and not worry about it. Yeah. Thank you very much, madam.